Good morning, students. Welcome to your class. In the last class, we had discussed about the formulation of LPP. Okay, how to formulate a LPP with its constraints and objective function and non-negative restrictions. Okay, now as you know, I have given a question in the last class that the company produces two models of lamps L1 and L2. It makes a profit of rupees 15 in the first lamp and rupees 10 in the second lamp. There are two workers, W1 and W2, are required for that W1 is assembling the lamps and W2 is painting the lamps. Okay, W1 assembling 20 minutes for L1 and 30 minutes for L2, whereas W2 paints 20 minutes in L1 and 10 minutes in L2. Okay, now the maximum working hours for worker 1 W1 is 100 hours and the maximum working hours for W2 is 80 hours. So आपको हमें नहीं की उटे फॉर्मुलेट करेगा. Okay, so that हमें LPP नहीं की तरह solution कर दो. Okay, now the solution. The solution of that problem, the question I have given in the last class. So you should remember that one, and do not have that question, then you can watch that video, previous video, so that you get the question. That question, let there are x1 number of lamps 1 produced or manufactured and x2 number of lamp 2 produced or manufactured by the firm or by the company. Okay, so it's getting 15 rupees from lamp 1, and since the company getting 15 rupees from lamp 1 and 10 rupees from lamp 2, therefore as profit. Okay, as profit, therefore the profit is equal to 15 x1 plus 10 x2, which is our objective function. Okay, it is our objective function here. Now for the constraints. Okay, so there are two constraints. One is your assembling, two is your painting by W1 and W2. So I will make a table W1, W2, lamp 1 and lamp 2. Now availability time, availability of time. Okay, now here what I have to do, lamp 1 length 2, length 1 and length 2 ପାଇଁ हमको टाइम देखो ये 20 मिनट्स ये असेंबली करियो whereas 30 minutes length 2 ପାଇଁ length whereas W2 paints 20 minutes रे हमरो length 1 को and length 2 को paint करिया ପାଇଁ 10 minutes. Okay, these are all in minutes. Timing देखो W1 रो हमरो जो टाइम रहिला availability time 100 hours and W2 रो जो टाइम रहिला 80 hours. Okay, now एथि हमें आकु नै करी टेबल टा हमें नै करी आंसर हमें बाहर कर परिया. Okay, so now we go for the constraint part. Okay, now the first constraint, what it says, the first constraint says that W1 produce assembling 20 minutes and 50 minutes. Eta x1 ta 20 into x1, 30 into x2. First constraint is equal to your 20 x1 and 30 x2. ये पूरा समय टा 100 minutes, 100 hours or 100 into 60 minutes. So which will be equal to 20 x1, 30 x2 less than equal to 6000 minutes. हम गोटे गोटे जीरो कैंसिल कर देले, it will be 2x1, 3x2 less than equal to 600. Okay, this is your constraint 1. Then for the second constraint, what do you get? For the second constraint, we will get 20x1 but 10x2 is less than equal to your 80 hours into 60 minutes, which will be equal to 20x1 10x2 less than equal to 4800 minutes. ताको जब मैं जीरो जाको कैंसिल कर देबी 2x1 x2 480 minutes. This is your constraint 2. Then as you know the non-negative completed this one. The non-negative constraint part pehla dhara non-negative constraints, that is your x1 greater than equal to 0 and x2 greater than equal to 0. Okay, so this is your constant objective function and non-negative restriction. Therefore the final answer, now the LPT is Z maximum. Since it a profit problem ta achi, so it will be Z maximum is equal to 15x1 plus 10x2 subject to constraints. Eta likhi debi, this one 2x1 plus 3x2 less than equal to 600 and second constraint 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 408 and the non-negative x1 and x2 greater than equal to 0. Okay, so it will be like this. So this is your final answer. So every formulation रे ए भलिया हबो हमरो. Okay, right? So you have to write down. So your answer will be this one, right? Now last year, ए वर्ष तो परीक्षा है, last year गोटे फॉर्मुलेशन पढ़ितला एंड फॉलोड बाय इट्स सॉल्यूशन गोटे इजी फॉर्मुलेशन पढ़ितला आई विल गिव द क्वेश्चन प्रीवियस ईयर रो क्वेश्चन वी विल डिस्कस ओके सो से क्वेश्चन ता सहित हम करिया तो फॉर्मुलेशन पार्ट टा आई होप तमाने बुझी पारिलो यू कैन डू योरसेल्फ सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स निजे निजे करिकरी मते आंसर पठै चंदी सो तमाने भी करिकि पठै पारिबो यू कैन हैव दैट बुक एसडी शर्मा ऑपरेशन रिसर्च अन्य किछि बुक जदि भी अछि सेथरु भी हमरा करि परिबा ओके नो प्रॉब्लम राइट नाउ we'll go for the solution now okay now solution now here you have the formulation once you have the formulation then you can solve the LPP solution of LPP. Solution of LPP can be done by two different methods. One, your graphical solution, and two is your, which is the real तुम्हारा problem जो अच्छी सेटा simplex method. Solution by simplex method. Graphical solution restrictions condition because हमें यदि दीटा वेरिएबल थी डिसिजन वेरिएबल x1 and x2 ताहाले देखि हमें ग्राफिकल सॉल्यूशन करबे बिकॉज़ ग्राफिकल सॉल्यूशन रे हमें 2D रे करबा 2D रे ताको सॉल्व करबा तो दीटा अननोन वेरिएबल x and y x एक्सिस पई गोटे y एक्सिस पई गोटे ताहाले जाई के हमें तार सॉल्यूशन कर परिया इफ यू हैव मोर देन two variable you cannot solve with your graphical solution so graphical solution can be only for simple problems of two variables remember this is the condition okay now we go for the graphical solution of LPP okay so now the graphical solution of LPP. Now you can have their solution in this method the simple linear programming problem of two decision variables. Two decision variables okay can be easily solved by the graphical method okay so two variable and easy two decision variable ताहले देखि हमें LPP टा को ग्राफिकल मेथड रे सॉल्व कर दी परिया okay now the procedure steps of your LPP with graphical method okay solution procedure Okay, so we have first step 1. Remember, you have to apply application हमको करियो पड़िबो. So you should remember this procedure. Directly it may not come in the exam. Write down the procedures or the steps of graphical solution. So you should need to remember so that your solution will come. Okay, so first step, consider each inequality constraints as equation. This is the step 1. As you know, the constants are normally given in the inequation or inequality form, either greater than equal to or less than equal to. Okay, so ताकू आमे इक्वेशन करिवा, that means is equal to दे दो. Okay, suppose x1 plus x2 is less than equal to 3. This is an inequation or inequality. तो ताकू आमे x1 plus x2 is equal to 3 लिख दो. That is your first step. That is, this is your inequation. Okay, so which is given as the constraints. तो आपको हमें चेंज कर दबा x1 plus x2 is equal to 3. Even if it is greater than equal to देले भी हमें is equal to 3 ही करना. Okay, so this is your step 1. Consider each inequation constraints as equation 1. Okay, next, step 2. Plot अबे जो इक्वेशन है ना, each equation, plot each equation on the graph. On the graph, as each one will geometrically represents a straight line. Okay, now plot each equation on the graph such that ये जो equation आसे थीवो in the first step रे, those are as a straight line हवा. Straight line को जेमती हमें draw करके रख सकते हैं. I think those who are +2 science सेमानी तो +2 सेकेंड ईयर रे पढ़ी थिबे obviously. Those who are not +2 science also सेमानी मध्य लाइन ड्रॉ करियारो ग्राफ पेपर रे सेमान करो earlier class 6 7 or 8, I do not know whichever class सेमाने भी सीखी थी. So लाइन ड्रॉ करियाटा बड़ा इजी अछि. You can draw by taking two different value as I given. मु जेतोले एग्जांपल देबी सेते बेले हमें बुझी पाइबा. One thing you should remember, एटा हमें जेते बेले करिबा एटा ग्राफ लिखाई थी. So हम मन रे आसीबो whether you will do the LPP graphical solution in a graph paper? No, not necessary. Okay, हमर जो आंसर शीट अछि हमर नोटबुक रे व्हाइट पेपर अछि सेइथिरे ही हमें x axis y axis टानी दबा. as we know x axis and y axis are perpendicular to each other, तो x axis y axis टानी दबा जेतु दीटा डिसीजन वेरिएबल थिबो गोटे x axis पटे नबा आ गोटे y axis पटे नबा दीटा जेको देकी हमें लाइन ड्रा करबा. ओके, this is the most important part. To beta straight line may be तीनटा आसी पारे but दीटा डिसीजन वेरिएबल थिबो x1 x2 और xy से दीटा इक्वेशन को नेकरी हमें दीटा डिसीजन वेरिएबल नेकरी हमें x एक्सिस पटे गोटे y एक्सिस पटे दीटा लिखा हमें x और y पॉइंट बाहर करी स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रा कर दो. ओके, this is your step 2. 1, change the equation of the constraints to equation, then change the draw the straight lines. Okay, so it is draw बदला then to graph अच्छी फिर में plot अच्छी you can say draw also, there is no problem in it. Okay, next step 3. In the step 3 we have to set the inequalities, okay, to get the feasible reason. Okay, step 3, okay, set the feasible reason, set the straight lines according its inequality sign by using origin test, by using origin test. Okay, to get the feasible reason. That is a part. Okay, so in this step what you have to do, shading मु कहिबे एटा जते बेले मु एग्जांपल करबी देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. शेड द स्ट्रेट लाइंस, जो स्ट्रेट लाइन देखो हमें ऑलरेडी ड्रा करथिबा ताकू तार इनइक्वालिटी साइन अनुसार whether it is less than equal to or greater than equal to by using origin test हमें सेट करबा. सेट कला परे you will get a feasible reason. Okay, feasible reason ता हमरो दीटा हे पारे, one bounded feasible reason and two the unbounded feasible reason. So there are two types of feasible reason, one bounded feasible reason and two unbounded feasible reason. I will explain what is bounded feasible reason, unbounded feasible reason. मुझे ना तुमको explain करबी. So now whenever you have a feasible reason, then your the step 4 starts. Okay, in the step 4 what you have to do, you have to go for your getting the vertices. Determine if it is a bounded feasible reason. Okay, determine the vertices of the feasible region either by inspection or by solving the two equations. Of the intersecting lines. Okay, of the intersecting lines, right? Then the last step after getting the vertices, हमें जो feasible region टा आसो, feasible region टा गोटे geometrical figure आसिनो. If it is a bounded one, unbounded अलगा प्रकार हबो. I will explain later. First of all, you will get bounded problems. So bounded figure टा जो टा आसिबो, से बाउंडेड फिगर टा को हमें जो वर्टिसेस से का आसीबो से वर्टिसेस जा को हमें कोन करबा लिखि दबा. देन स्टेप 5 comes. In the step 5 we have to evaluate the objective function. Evaluate the objective function जोटा देखियो हमको z optimize is equal to ax plus b x1 plus b x2 or whatever it may be. Then you will get your solution. x1 x2 you can get by at each vertex. जो वर्टेक्स से कासी थी वो वर्टिसेस जाक सब जाक वर्टेक्स पई हमें जदी चेक कर दवा देन विल गेट द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. इफ इट इज सेज z maximum then we will take maximum value. If it says minimum then we will take minimum value so that हमें easily तार value सब पाई जाए. Okay, remember one thing. So again I am unbounded पाई मु कहूनी एठी मु bounded पाई कहूची. So bounded पाई हमरो maximum और minimum value आसी जीवो. Unbounded એટલે टिके अलगा हबो. Then I will explain in that case. So एठी bounded पाई there are only 5 steps. In step 1 any equation को equation करबा. Step 2 जो equation जक आसीबो से equation जक को हमें ग्राफ ड्रा कर देबा. Graph is nothing but your straight lines. How to draw the straight lines हमको जाना है. Again I will explain you. Then once you draw those straight lines, से straight line जक को shading करिबा. Shading माने like this. Empty is a bigger word is shading or upper ऊपर पटे जक को हमें shading करिबा. Once you shade, then you will get the feasible region. Feasible region पाइला परे से feasible region टार किछि vertex थिबो. से vertices जाकर कोऑर्डिनेट जाका हमें बाहर कर देबा. बाहर केमति करबा दीटा मेथड. either by inspecting बेले बेले हमको डायरेक्ट जाना पड़ी जीवो और यदि जाना पड़िला ताले से सॉल्व कर दवा गाटा इक्वेशन दीटा दुटा इंटरसेक्ट करथिबो. ओके, intersecting each other. Then once you get those points, then put those points in the z maximum part, z minimum part. As the question suggests, z maximum के minimum से अनुसार हमें से vertex का पाई दिबा. सब जगह vertex रे you have to put the values. Okay, so this will be the procedure for a normal bounded and LPP जार की solution टा हमरा ए प्रकार हो. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस वन. We go for some problems in the next class. Write down these things. Step 1, step 2 already delete कर दीजिए. Step 3, step 4, step 5. Okay. Write down all these things. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll continue in the next class.